Salma Aga, daughter of Parvez Iqbal and Kadir Begum, and one of the students of this glamorous institution. Take this most overwhelming motivation and opportunity to put forward what's in my heart. Today, my heart is full of gratitude and there are dozens of thanks that I have to put forward. First of all, I would thank the creator of entire creation, one and only Almighty Allah, for always being so merciful to me. Then I would thank my beloved parents for always being there and for being the biggest pillar of support and for always trusting upon me. I thank you, my dear parents. Then I would thank Shaukat Bukhari sir, and to you all I would say keep on moving, keep on doing hard work. You will get, inshallah, success will be yours one day. Thank you all.
And now on behalf of Yes India Foundation, we are going to present her a laptop from the side of our institution. A big applause from the audience. This should take you more time. Thank you. Well done. Thank you. Mr. Rajesh.